Hey beauty, if you have been on this channel for a while and done some of the training sessions with me, you probably acknowledge that I don't give too many cues during the session. And by the way, if you're new, you're very welcome. And I'm really pleased to have you here and be part of this beautiful community. So there are two reasons why I don't give the cues, because when I train, I really want to focus to deliver the session to your needs. On the other hand, if I would be on the other side of the screen and doing the training session, I would find it quite distracting if somebody would constantly telling me what to do and how to do it. It would be very different if I would be face to face, nice and closed with you. And when you are doing exercise, I could straight away adjust, modify or fix your form or your technique. However, I am on the other side and I only can see what I can see. And that's why I decided to create these small series of the exercises where I really want to bring the value of the personal trainer. Each of these sessions will include one exercise from my training sessions. We go through the technique, form, mistake, what you should avoid, and how you should be doing the exercise, what you should be focusing when you're doing exercise. And then we do the whole set or two of that exercise so your nervous system can start adapting that form, technique, those cues. So when you are doing the training session, you feel so much more confident what and how to do it. And if you have any specific exercise which you would like to focus on, just let me know in a comment below and we go through those exercises. More I know what you're looking for, better I can deliver the value from my side. So today we're going to focus and we're starting with our Sumo Squat. Why I choose today Sumo Squat as our first exercise in this series is if you have started the 8-week scalp challenge or you are at the end, you realize that I literally put the Sumo Squat in pretty much every lower body session. And there is a reason for it. Not only you're working on your thighs, hamstring, and obviously your glutes, but with the Sumo Squat, you're focusing greatly on your inner thighs. And when it comes to sculpting your beautiful body, don't you have a nice firm inner thighs when it comes to your legs? I do. So let's go through the form and the technique. With Sumo Squat, your feet needs to be much wider than shoulder width apart and your toes pointing out. Wider you go with your stand, more you're focusing on your glutes. And as I mentioned, you're focusing greatly on your inner thighs. If you are using one dumbbell, you have a choice to hold the dumbbell on the body or on the head with both hands. Obviously, if you are holding two dumbbells, you're holding one and both dumbbells on a body and always between your legs. Now, imagine that you have a pencil between your shoulder blades, so you're pinching and holding that pencil nice and firmly whole time during the performing this exercise, which ensure that your shoulders staying constantly back, supporting whole your spine pretty much. Now, you're bracing your tummy in through the whole set, whole time, ensuring that you are supporting your lower back. With breath, you inhaling as you are coming down and you exhaling as you are coming up. When it comes to technique, we already said your shoulders staying back, keeping your chest nice and proud, bracing your tummy in, and in a nice straight line, you're lowering yourself, coming into your squat position, opening your knees nice and wide till you feel a nice stretch between your legs. Once you're feeling that stretch, you hold the position for a couple of seconds And then you're pushing through your heels. Once again, you brace the tummy even more, squeezing your glutes and driving through your heels and the glutes all the way to your starting position. You're inhaling with your nose on the way down. We hold on 1, 2, and we exhaling with your mouth on the way up. Opening your knees nice and wide, feeling that nice stretch between your legs. Hold the position, 1, 2, and exhale as you are driving up. And now we do whole set of this exercise. So we do 10 repetitions on the first set. Set yourself, so stand is nice and wide and your toes pointing out. What we said, we're keeping that pencil between the shoulder blades, so keeping our shoulders back, chest nice and proud. You're looking constantly, get used to looking constantly forward rather than down, because once you start focusing and looking down, your shoulders come with you. So start focusing looking ahead or slightly above your gaze or eye level, and hold your dumbbell, bracing your tummy in. We're inhaling as we're coming down, opening those knees nice and wide, holding the position for a couple of seconds, 1, 2, pushing through your heels, bracing your tummy in, squeezing those glutes, coming all the way up, exhaling with your mouth. Inhale, exhale through your mouth. 1, we do 10 of these. Inhale, opening those knees, staying nice and low. 1, 2, pushing through your heels, squeezing those glutes, and exhaling through your mouth. 2, inhale, and exhale. Inhale, nice and low, and exhale. Inhale, this is 5. Hold, 1, 2. Pushing through your heels, squeezing those glutes. Inhale, keeping that pencil between your shoulder blades, 1, 2. Pushing through your heels, squeezing those glutes as much as you can. 6. Inhale. And exhale. We have 3 more reps. Inhale. And exhale through your mouth. Wide, 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 nice and low. Pushing through your heels and up. Let's do 1 more and final rep. Inhale. And exhale. And this is Sumo Squat.